Nothing. We can't hold on to anything, and nobody else can hold on to anything that we have given them. Everybody must die, and everything's going to be lost. It's just a matter of time. We have so many nice things in the museums, yes. We have bones of dinosaurs. Have you seen? Do you have those in India? I don't know, but I remember in the Field Museum in Chicago, near Grant Park, where I got tear gassed by the police once. I remember I was in a demonstration for peace, and the Chicago police charged and attacked us and started shooting tear gas, so we ran away. Because they had clubs and helmets. So I was running. I was a pretty fast runner back when I was a teenager. So, some of my friends got beaten up, but I actually ran away. But everything gets taken away. I'm not a fast runner anymore. But anyways, I ran and ran into the Field Museum. And then I was face to face with this Tyrannosaurus Rex, this man-eating dinosaur. Yes, but he was just a skeleton. But I remember when I ran inside, right in the main lobby, there was this big, gigantic dinosaur. They got his bones and reassembled him. So he was like, he had gigantic teeth. Can you imagine how much that cost? It's a fortune. So we're thinking we're preserving history by keeping these dinosaur bones. But even they're going to be lost. It's just a matter of time. Nothing is permanent in this world. I remember thinking that this dinosaur is probably reincarnated as one of the policemen outside. Beating people with sticks. But eventually the whole Earth planet is just... it's going to go bloop. It's going to be finished. That's the nature of material existence. Dukkhalayam ashashvatam. Everything is temporary.